Thopal Forest Division Sindona Rising and Accelerating MSME Performance Scheme gi makhada forest based artisan on natural dyeing technique haibasida depo Thopal gi conference hall da numit humni satharakpa capacity building training asi loisinkhre Thopal Forest Division gi depo Dr. Laisangthem Jisili IFS Giming Makada Miyoi Nifurom Saru Yaduna Satharakpa training program adugi loisinwagi thoramda range office forest officer headquarters Thopal Huidum Sundar Singh training program aduda trainer oikiba natural dyeing technique state awardee Projendro Oinam amadi Surmala Oinamna athoiba mithunglen sing oina saru yaki numit humni subna sathakiba capacity building training program aduda division asina koliba tongan ba khul singdagi laktuna saru yakiba miyoi singda athoiba mithunglen singna certificate singsu yenthoke